It's really difficult to polish already something that is so perfect like the E-Tron GT.
You feel already so amazed by it. You just want to drive, you want to touch the materials. You already have a diamond. How do you make this diamond even better?
We work really together with other colleagues from other departments like interior and color and trim.
My name is Christopher. I am color and trim designer at Audi.
My name is Juan Carlos Huerta. I'm exterior designer in Audi Design. Actually create a bigger differentiation between the lines. This was our goal. And also to bring the design language to the direction that Audi Design is moving in the future. If we start, for example, talking about the S model, we see that we have a complete different treatment in the air intake area. We are having these two boxes that it really highlights this air curtain area. In the rear end, of course, we see the difference between both models. We have a clear and a little bit calmer design in the S model. It's still really sporty, of course, but being more elegant than the RS model, which lives from this brutality of the motorsport. We have those two bridges in the very side of the diffuser. We have also a honeycomb integrated in the main surface of the diffuser. And of course, something really important for our RS model is the vertical reflector that it belongs also to our upcoming strategy.
The camouflage carbon is something completely new for Audi. And this is basically leading the way for the performance model. And we're very happy about it because it's very progressive. It's something unique that you can only find in the E-Tron GT for now. You open the car and you get inside, you have this super sporty steering wheel that you just have to press the button and then you go RS. And on top of that, you have all the materials matching perfectly also to the exterior. You have this perfect Gran Turismo sports car feeling.
We see how the face actually moved a little bit lower. We have this lag band in between the lights and the rest of the bumper. The clear direction for the RS model is more our motorsport heritage. Wheels are indeed extremely important for cars. They are like the perfect complement, like the perfect shoes.
Yeah. When we have an RS model, we're already at a very high level of performance. But if we have an RS performance, it's even more challenging to make a difference. And we like to compare this to an athlete. So we have an athlete and then we have a high-performance athlete. I think it's a dream car.